Hello friends, welcome back to another Monday motivational video. I hope you all are doing well. And till date, CA, CS, CMA, all results are out, and I know few of you would have cleared and few of you would have not cleared. So this video is particularly for the ones who can't clear this time. Whether you are a CA student, CS student or CMA student, I will be telling you 5 things which you should do now when you haven't cleared the exams. The first thing is, don't lose hope. This is the first thing I would guide students, that don't lose hope. It's okay. It's part and parcel of exams, and not just exams. Pass or failure is part and parcel of life as well. So you have to accept as it comes, but don't lose hope. Don't be someone that ye kya ho gaya, oh my god, what to do next. No. First of all, don't ever lose hope. Whatever happens, happens. Secondly, don't blame others for your results. Now, this is something again many students do. Either they start blaming their teachers, or they start blaming their parents, or they start blaming their, friends, which is so wrong. No. See, results are the outcome of your preparation, or maybe somehow destiny as well, but don't blame others for that, right? Nobody else can do anything to your destiny or to your results, so make sure you're not blaming them. Thirdly, leave your past, plan for future. Like I told, the moment the exams were ended, I was telling students at that point also, please start with your preparation. But now also you don't have much time in your hands, so I would say just leave your past. Whatever happened. Just leave it and plan for your future. That is something now which can help you clear this attempt, which is June 2022 or May or whatever attempt it is. Fourth, work on your shortcomings. Now, the only way to clear the next attempt is that you have to work on your shortcomings. It could be anything. It could be as small as you haven't referred to the past year questions. It could be as big as that you haven't referred to the proper original study material of the institute. So you have to look for that what were your shortcomings and how can you work on them. And the fifth and the last, which will actually save your this attempt, is take new approaches, new strategies. Don't stick to the old timetables. Don't stick to the old methods, because when you haven't cleared, that means there was some problem in those things. And also, for the next attempt, make it more interesting. You can at least make it feel a new attempt, and to make that new feel, approaches should be new, strategies should be new, and probably you would make it this time. So these are the 5 things that you should do if you can't clear CA, CS, CMA exam this time, and probably you will clear in the next attempt. But for that next attempt, you have to start now. You have to start your preparation with full zeal, with full, happiness, with full that, strategies that yes, I have to do this time. And when your approach, your mindset, your attitude probably is right, I know you will formulate right strategies and you will make it this time. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.